Hey everybody, it's me, Greg, from LeGrand Drain Cleaning, Pressure Washing, Gainesville, Florida. And today, I'm going to talk to you about another gutter tool that I use. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of this, and what it is, and I'll have a link for you. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Thank you, Greg, for sponsoring yourself. Hey guys, if you like the videos, do a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow the links if you want to get one of these. So what is this? Basically, this is a plastic attachment. It has 6 holes around the side and one in the front of it. And you hook it to your hose, and if you have good pressure, 5 jets will come out and propel it forward, and this one jet will bust through some stuff. So it's kind of like a mini pressure washer system without having a pressure washer. Real, obviously not as high a pressure. But let's get up here in the gutter. I'll turn it on and give you some pros and cons and show you what it does. Okay guys, so here we are. I should have put a little stop valve on there before that. But anyways, if you have really good pressure, you can see it is doing pretty good. Back flushing stuff. Theoretically, let me see if I can grab this. Okay, so it'll propel itself, and then when you get into the junk, it'll blow it down. You can twist it a little bit. Now, does that work perfect? So you're still gonna have to get up there. Now, if you didn't have pine needles, like I've got in this situation, it would probably blow most of that stuff down. Oh, there you go. But generally, it really depends on how much water pressure you have, and also your hose. You see how the hose bends? If I turn it different ways, it might go up like that. There you go. So it didn't quite get it's not laying flat. It really depends on your hose if you get it to lay flat and how much pressure. But you know, if you're a homeowner and you're cleaning out stuff, it's going to get out the bulk of it, and it's going to pull it down pretty much. So the pros are, one is you're going to get wet. You know, I mean, I don't want to get too close here. I got my gutter cleaner in the way there. But see how it's coming up like that? If you have a hose that's flatter, or it's a warm day and your hose isn't bent like that from being rolled up, and then that's one con. The other one is you got to have good water pressure. The pros are it does work. It flushes the stuff out. But what I use it mostly for is not this. I was just showing you this. I use the gutter vac, or I use that tool. But if you stick it down the downspout, if you don't have a pressure washer, you can stick it down the downspout right there, and it'll flush most of those out really good. Or you can stick it up the downspout. But just bear in mind, you're going to get wet. So I'll give a link in the description to that. Like I said, if you like the video, follow my Amazon link, buy one or buy anything you want on Amazon, and you'll support our channel, and I'll keep making videos like this and testing stuff, so you'll know what's good and what's not good. See ya.